Hey, come close. Oh, can call me Badeng. Badeng.
Badeng
Ngade Badeng Gabs.
Ngadeng.
Ngade.
Badeng Gabs.
Yes.
My local name in this family, guys. Yeah, amazing family. And that was her gift. That was her gift from her. Thank you so much once again. I really love it, man. I just feel like I feel so unique. Okay, good day, good morning, Shillong, Meghalaya, guys. You can see the sun is shining, and yeah, we are also shining. So I'm here in Shillong with my friend, family. Say hi. Bomba Club, okay?
My name is Reynard, and
Yeah.
we've hosted Grape. He's been here in Shillong for more than a week now.
Yes.
And my mom has bought a gift for him. It's a surprise.
Yes.
So let's check it out.
And I can't wait to see that. I've been with him for more than 1 week and I just feel good, guys. So let's see the surprise that mom has for us. Yeah. Hello, they have kitties. Hello. Yo, mom is here, May. So in Khasi they say mom is May. So good morning, May.
Good morning, Gabriel.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good.
Come, Reynard. Yeah, Reynard told me that you have a special surprise and I can see
Yeah.
something shining here. Yeah, so I would love to hear about it. Yeah,
So we are very happy to have you with us,
thank you.
and we have got nothing to give you to remember us. This is the things that it's a traditional dress of the Khasi people, so that
Okay.
you'll always remember us and our culture and all the Khasi people.
Wow,
You'll
wow.
always remember us. You will not forget. Wherever you go, you remember us.
Thank you so much. Let me just have a look, guys.
Absolutely.
You know, guys, one day I was in PB with him only, and I was so curious, guys, like to have this one especially, like the Khasi traditional stuff. But I didn't know, and like the price is also so expensive. Like, do you remember how much they say for this? There is other one they say like 1,200. The other one. So I was, oh my gosh, I didn't buy it. Like, honestly, I didn't buy it. And I was also having a plan of renting this because they used to say in Wat Lake there is like the traditional press there, local one. Like, I was also so curious to go at least to have a photo with this, and like it's just the dream came true. Like, I don't have to go and rent it, and she made it like it's gonna be mine, guys. Just I can't imagine this, and I'm so happy. I'll be taking it home and all the time whenever I'm reacting to Khasi videos. So for sure, such thing I will hang back on my studio. And wow, that is so. Just let's see it. Let's see it. Oh, we can open, huh? Okay, I will wear it later, guys, and I will show you the full. I just want to put. No, let's just have a look of it. Yeah. This one looks so nice. This one looks so nice, guys. Okay. Feed, okay?
Yeah, it's quite a perfect fit for you.
Yeah. I can't wait. I'll be doing the part 2 of me putting on, dressing this, and we'll see how it will look, guys. But I'm pretty sure it will definitely suit me. And I just love this one, guys. Just know that everywhere I'm moving in Shillong, I'm gonna be wearing this. I don't care whether I'm wearing the full traditional clothes or not. I will put on this one. Yeah, this is so nice. Oh.
And it's
Wow.
the tie around your waist.
So this one they tie it here, right?
Yes.
Okay. I can't wait to try it, guys. So anyway, thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome.
This is gonna be
Always
one of the
welcome.
best and unforgettable gift ever. I will keep reminding, and I promise when I go back home, or even if I didn't get chance to go home, I will try to make my best if anyone is coming from Africa to bring you our cultural traditional African dress. For sure, guys, this will be a video for her. Even if I'm not with her, she has to make a video and send how it look on her. So thank you, Kublai Shibon.
Guys, stick around and see the transformation of
Yeah.
Dean from African boy to Khasi boy.
Just wait. We are gonna turn into local boy, okay? Thank you so much, family.
Bomba clot.
Love you all.
A few moments later.
Yo, Shillong, Meghalaya, Barid is here. Baheb or Bah Gabs. Yes. What? I have to tie? Or they will tie it like this?
Tie like yesterday.
I don't want to be in the video. No.
So this is how they tie.
Let me see.
Baheb.
Huh?
Come close.
Em ôm tiểu cái này kìa.
Để đây. Đi bên phần 8 em coi. Đi bên phần 8.
Tuh kan, sebentar itu pun orang ni deh. Disimpan bestem deh.
I thought like don't wear that.
This one?
Yeah, just
For now, yeah.
Oh, just for now.
Yeah, later I will remove.
Oh, okay.
Just for video now.
Oh, okay.
Just for video teman.
This is for video. Yeah, later do. Yeah, done, right? For video now. For video, guys. Baheb is ready. Which name is better? Baheb, Barid?
Badeng.
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 Badeng is?
Badeng is the second son.
Second son.
Yeah. Who's older, you or me?
You.
Me, right?
Yeah.
So you.
Then I'm Barid.
I'm Baba, and my brother is Bahab.
Okay, then I'm
Call him Barid.
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 Barid, guys.
Bana.
Barid.
Bana.
Badeng.
Bana.
Barid. They are getting them for me. Huh?
Bana.
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 Badeng.
You are elder to one kid, no?
Yes. Then my name is now what?
Badeng.
So can call me Badeng. Badeng.
Badeng
Ngade Badeng Gabs.
Ngadeng.
Ngade.
Badeng Gabs.
Yes.
My local name in this family, guys. Yeah, amazing family. And that was her gift. That was her gift from her. Thank you so much once again. I really love it, man. I just feel like I feel so unique, so amazing. And Bah is here. Your name is?
Baba.
Reynard. One of our younger, second brother is also outside for a job, guys. So we are going for music shooting. We have music shooting. So we'll be there. Make sure after watching this, stay tuned. You will watch the full music video with these amazing attires, guys. See you. Kublai Shibon. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, May. Say goodbye. Mom, say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you for the gift. Yeah, Badeng is going.
Badeng is going.
Yeah, now you can call me Barid, Baheb, or Bah Gabs, okay? The Khasi African local boy. Let's show you this. I love this one, guys. I love this one the most. Baheb. Oh, this side is good. This side is good. Let me show you. Hello. Baheb is ready. Barid. See the outfit, guys. See the outfit. Local boy.